Alright, so we got a few parts we're going to be installing on the WRX today, which I'm pretty nervous for because I looked over the instruction manuals for them, and I don't know, this might take all day, so it is much needed for the WRX. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing in the garage and get started on today's installs. Oh my gosh. This is just scary to look at. There's so many different hoses. Luckily, IAG actually has an instruction manual online, so we're pretty much going to be referring to that when we're installing it. But right here, we got an IAG air oil separator for the WRX. This is a highly requested mod that a lot of you guys have been bugging me about to get, just for the safety of the car. Like I said, right here, we have the entire instruction manual. Literally 59 pages.
What?
Yeah, so we got about a few hours, so without further ado, just get right into it.
Ay. You okay?
It nailed purple already.
You good? That sounded like it hurt.
Freaking hurt. Oh my.
That's what I was talking about. Here, give me that.
Alright guys, so it is the next day now. I did a very bad job filming yesterday. Honestly, this install was a big pain in the butt. But I kind of finished it up last night. Well, not really finished it, but I'm getting there. But yeah, as you guys can see, we got the IAG air oil separator all mounted up in the top left corner. We got pretty much majority of the hoses hooked up to the car. Honestly, probably one of the most difficult installs that I've ever done on any car, to be honest. I don't know why. It may have been because I literally did not eat a single thing yesterday and I was just so frustrated and I was just out of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave some videos down in the description below that really helped me out. Pretty much watching through a few videos throughout this whole install to help me out, and really helped out a lot. So I'll go ahead and have those videos down below for you guys if you guys need some help. Yeah guys, there was just so many steps. I was also looking through the IAG AOS instruction manual online. To be honest, that was kind of confusing, so I went on YouTube to find some videos. So I kind of just bounced back and forth with whatever worked, and in the end, it pretty much helped out. Honestly, I feel like replacing the clutch on the FRS was way simpler and easier than this, to be honest. That's kind of a stretch right there, but yeah, if you guys are planning to do an air oil separator, I just recommend doing your research first. Get a look at what exactly you're gonna have to do, and yeah, just do your research before you end up tackling it yourself, because you will get stuck like I did. I actually have another package from SubiSpeed, which I'm really excited for. If you guys don't know, I do have a discount code for SubiSpeed. Save you guys 10% off of majority of the parts on their website. I'll go ahead and have that discount code right here on the screen for you guys. But I'm really excited for this. If you guys have been watching the videos, you guys may know we got, you know, the downpipe on, the Tomei Cobb Big SF Intake, and the Stage 2 Plus tune, and the car sounds amazing. I love the turbo noises and everything. But this right here is gonna make the car go from here to there. More hoses. So guys, this right here is an HKS super sequential V4 blow-off valve. Unfortunately, it is the recirculating one. It is not the like high-pitched squeal blow-off that the WRXs are pretty much like known for, just that super sick blow-off noise. But since we're not tuned on speed density, we can't do that. So we have to go recirculating, which will make a nice turbo flutter. So HKS blow-off valve is going on the car since we have it all taken apart already over there. Got the instructions right here from HKS themselves. It's not English, but in the back, thankfully it is English, so we're gonna be going through this and let's make the WRX sound even better. Alright guys, the install is now complete of the HKS recirculating blow-off valve as well as the IAG air oil separator. There's so many vacuum hoses that we touched and it's just scary to even drive this thing right now. This is literally the first time we're driving the car with everything on. I'm excited to hear what the new HKS recirculating blow-off valve sounds like. So that's why I brought the GoPro with me today. Let's go and get some driving clips. This is gonna be sick. I feel like the car is gonna sound 10 times better. If you guys are OGs to the channel, you guys know that I used to film all my videos with a GoPro Hero. I think it was a Hero 4 or 3 or 4, I honestly forget. Been so long, and I recently picked up a GoPro Hero 9. So I heard this was like way better than the previous ones, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try today. Get some POV driving with the new GoPro. So the quality should be way better, some stability I believe, and I hope the audio is much better. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on right now, and we'll get some sick sound clips of the WRX. All right guys, hopefully the quality is good. Let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, dude, that sounds so good. I don't know if you guys can hear that on camera. Dude, it pops more. What the heck? Yo, this sounds so good. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think? I hope you guys can hear it. That lady really just yelled at me to slow down. I was going like 10 miles per hour. You know how I feel about that? Does that ever happen to you guys? Like, people get mad at you for driving fast, but in reality, like, you're going freaking slow. It's just because your car is really loud. Like, that literally happens to me all the time whenever I pass schools. Like, the freaking traffic people get so pissed off. I'm like, dude, I'm going like 10 miles per hour. My car's just loud. One thing I do kind of notice, not gonna lie, is I feel like I'm a little bit less, I feel like I have a little bit less power than before. That being said, I'm not too sure why. I'm hoping it's not a leak. I'm thinking maybe I just need like a reflash for the tune. I actually have a base map from Ron Watson from Fat Body Tuning. So I actually haven't flashed it over. I'm still on Cobb Stage 2 Plus. So pretty soon we're gonna get the WRX dialed in with Ron Watson over at Fat Body. So I'm really, really excited for that. Oh, that is so satisfying, man. That sounds amazing, dude. The intake was sick, but like, wow, once we put the blow-off valve, it sounds so good. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget, I'm giving away 2 Subi Speed gift cards, $250 each, in a random order you guys place on my website with the new drop. If you guys want a chance to get entered into winning a $250 gift card, be sure to hit that link down in the description below. It'll take you straight to the website. So yeah guys, good luck, and the giveaway ends on Friday, November 5th. With that being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Later.